Our beaches are being taken for the use of construction and the making of glass bottles and window panes. Silica sand is the main victim of this. Silica sand is the type of sand you find on your everyday beach. You might not think it's much, but it's the main ingredient in many different products. Because of the lack of silica sand and the disappearance of our beaches, something needs to replenish them. We believe that the alternative to silica sand can be the glass that it is being used to make.
Crushed glass can be the replacement to silica sand because they both share the same chemical compound, SiO2, or better known as silicon dioxide, and have very similar particles. They're small and rough.
It could be argued that you could replace silica sand with just different types of sand, but I'm here to show you that crushed glass is actually the most similar to silica sand.
Here's an example of pit sand. It is very common for use in construction, and it is found a lot of times underground. It is not a very good replacement for silica sand because naturally it has a lot of different rocks and other debris mixed into it while being underground. This wouldn't cause for very good sand, and it would not react with the animals very well if it gets mixed into the water. Another type of sand you might think could be a good replacement for silica sand is desert sand. There are a lot of deserts in the world, and there would be plentiful amounts of it. Well, this isn't true. The problem with desert sand is that it is very smooth and rounded out. This causes for it to not be able to stick very well with each other and bond, so it won't be very good for construction or in the make of glass. This particular sand has a different color, it's white. So if we were to mix this particular desert sand into with pre-existing silica sand, it wouldn't look very natural because it will have a very different color. While some glasses, like this one, are less standard out and have a darker color other than the light white.
These two examples show that crushed glass is the only good replacement to silica sand. Both of their grains have very similar shapes and sizes, and they are both made out of silicon dioxide. Thank you for watching my public display of science demonstration, and I hope you learned something new.